Alright, here we have Seppi, our wonderful athletic cat, and John playing with Floss, and there's Elsie in the background. And we are going to show Seppi doing an amazing trick. He's going to jump from this cat contraption into that hole.
Alright, buddy, come on.
Look at that! What an awesome cat! Come on! Okay. Is he going to make it all the way through? There we go. One foot in. Oh, and there goes Elsie up on top to help him. And there we go. Success. Great.
Alright, let's get him all coming around.
Oh, okay. He's going to come around the top.
You want it?
He loves chasing Floss.
There it is, buddy.
Peekaboo.
Oh, there we go. Right. Success.
Look at him. He's a monkey.
Alright, that's it.
Bye, Seppi. Say bird. Say bye.